When we opened the school, we really were just a family that we made every dish together. We utilize your butter. Now, students are really looking for that leadership role. So, calling all chefs helped us maximize our efficiency. You need 22. We actually purchased 14 new KitchenAids. Then we got a 10-quart mixer. We also got our first ice cream machines.
The whole hands-on experience in the commercial kitchen has really been exciting. It gives me joy to come to the class every single day. It's something I do want to pursue in the future.
Some students bake, some students grill, some students actually prep to saute, because we actually have more equipment now.
We're catering, which means we're sending food out to the public, so we have to do it right, and we have to do it in a certain amount of time, and we have to make sure it goes out and that there's enough, and it's really a cool experience.
So having more equipment, having more smallwares gives us the opportunity to give back more.
Thank you very much, because without you, we wouldn't be able to have the opportunities we have. We wouldn't be able to cater to so many people at once. We wouldn't be able to do a lot of things that we do without you guys, so thank you, a really big thank you.